to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne, and Dwayne is interviewing Audrey Shaw again, and this time she is revealing who she was protecting. She said that she was protecting Crystal, so you have to go ahead and go catch the video to hear what she has to say about Crystal. And this is in relation to Donna and what was said between her and Crystal. Free Donna. Go ahead and go catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today.
And bear in mind, you already spoke your mind already on your page, and that live stream is now privated, which means people will not hear the context in that page. So maybe it's fair you speak about it here again, so people can make an informed, people can have a better informed, they can make a better conclusion, or come now, let's just talk.
So why she private my thing? As she
You
talking?
said
As she paid?
In the beginning of your live stream, I heard you said that person have wronged you, and because of that, you're not keeping anything for them, right?
You remember somebody say on a live yesterday, say, if ask me who may I protect, because I say, may I protect somebody because me no want whatever talk now whatever.
So you're saying it's Crystal?
Yeah, she yeah.
Jeez, what I'm getting the water, lad. God. Go and talk to them. I'm coming. Go and talk to them. I'm listening.
Yeah. When she go on, first thing first, she go on our page and she asks for somebody to help her buy a fryer. She put out the fryer, she put out the amount of money for the fryer, and somebody go and tell Donna when she on live say Crystal over our page begging people for help, for buy something. Donna say, oh, now come tell me about Crystal for. Oh, now call Crystal name to me for. Crystal and me pick me. Crystal and me pick me. If she want beg, make she go and beg. I fear her page she dey pan her beg. One she no come over here, come beg. Me no have no problem. You see the one she no come over here, come beg. That way kinda make me feel upset. One she no come over here pa me page come beg nobody nothing. And she didn't have to, she not supposed to even go and ask nobody for nothing. If she asked anybody for anything, she could ask Donna because she a Donna right hand person.
Yes, I heard that
look
much.
to that, this, that. Right. So she never feel pleased about it. We chat about it. It made me feel hurt and made me not feeling happy towards Donna. That helped make me feel happy, make me not feeling happy towards Donna. Good.
But Audrey, why would Crystal not be happy towards Donna? Let's touch a little bit on that.
Because of what people are saying after Donna say she no me pick me. One she not come for me life, come beg nothing. Me no business with her.
So hold on, I heard you mention something about a fire. A fire is a fire? Is it fire or it was something? So what did Crystal at any point ask Donna for anything?
She go up on her life and ask.
On whose live? Crystal's live or Donna's live stream?
Crystal live. Crystal got on fear one live and asked.
And what happened? What was the conclusion of that one?
Somebody go and tell Donna, say, Crystal up on her live, I beg. And she say, all I can tell me about Crystal for, all I can call Crystal name to me for Crystal and I'm picnic. Crystal and me picnic. One she not come for me life, come beg nobody nothing. Me no business. She do what she want to do on her life.
But Audrey, let me ask you a question. Obviously, you know Crystal to be someone who helps Donna to do a lot of things in Plankershop, i.e., I can remember back then Crystal was putting up the number in the comments. Crystal was she when Donna wanted anything to be found, an old video, she would say, Tammy or Crystal, go and help me find X or Y, and they'll get it right. So do you think, obviously, because Crystal has done so much for Plankershop, do you think it was the right thing if Crystal now is in a predicament where she needs some kind of assistance to do something because of everything she's done for Plankershop? Do you think it would be a good thing if Donna said, okay, I will help you, Crystal?
That's what people go into her and says to her too. That's what I was saying to her.
But that's not a
she
bad
did
thing.
not to do that.
I would support. I honestly, Planker people, I don't care what you say. If Crystal really wanted help from Donna, based on everything that she's done for Plankershop, for Donna per se, I think it would have been a good thing if you guys came and said, okay, Crystal, because of your loyalty, because of everything you've done for our auntie, whatever, we will help you. That would have been a good thing. So Audrey, what was the outcome? What was the outcome?
Up till today, she not get the fryer. She might get a part of the money. And it wasn't too much money for it. It was like about 3,000 something TT for it. That is about either 3,000 or 4,000. That is about might be about 300, about 400 or something US for the thing. And
she didn't get the money.
No, everybody was quarreling. Everybody was arguing. Everybody was talking. Not everybody. Some people was quarreling. Some people was talking. Some people even get to her and talk to her and say, why Donna not buy it? You should not go and ask that. Donna. You should have asked she feet and she should have buy it. Yeah, because we talk.
But I have another question. So why didn't Crystal go to Donna personally? Why didn't she call in on the license when they say, okay, auntie, I need help to get this for my business?
It did happen, after a while,
She called in on Donna's platform to ask for help?
I don't know if it's she one or Crystal one out of them. She then go on live.
I'm not picking sides. I'm not picking sides here. But I'm gonna say I think if Crystal might have done that on the live stream, that the planks would be more willing to help.
Me I tell you, they do that. They did that, but not much body never give her nothing. When they live done, she must get about 200 US or might be 100 and something US dollar. She end up with. Because
so why couldn't Donna
nobody
say, okay,
don't want
because
to
of everything you've done for me to date, I will put up X amount for you.
Let me ask you
a question. Obviously, you have a great, from what I'm getting from you, you have a per se platonic friendship with Crystal, which means you're quite friendly towards each other, right?
Yes, I believe so.
Has Crystal ever said to you that because everything she does for Plankershop, does Donna pay her?
No.
For everything she does is free?
Never. She never get a dime from she if it say, well, she's doing so much something for me. Miss Analika 50.
But why continue to is she doing this for charity? Is because she's a very helpful person?
She just wanted to all up in everybody's business. That's what Crystal has, because somebody says to me, sure, somebody said to me, "I like that girl there, no, I really like her because." Me ask her why. Don't say that. Don't say that because she's a nice person and she will do any little thing for you and stuff. So no say that. Don't say that. Me not like that. So no. I am not a Jamaican, but Crystalina up in a people be Jamaican, all up in a Jamaican business too much.
But maybe at heart she feels like a Jamaican. She feels more. It's like me nowadays. I feel like I'm in tune with the African part of me. Even though I'm not African,
Okay.
I'm Jamaican at birth, right? But I love to engage with the Africans. It's the same thing I'll say for Krista. Maybe she like to engage with people's not her own
Yeah,
kind of
that's
people.
true. That's
So
true. That is true.
so what's the outcome of this whole this money thing with the shop?
She never get it.
Was she
And
upset?
and the thing is this, the problem is this. Of course she was upset. Of course she was upset. Because the problem is this, the following day, after she was after they was on the live and trying to pick up little money fig by get the fryer. She didn't get the amount, she didn't get it. But the following day, a live was made to raise money for some girl. I forget the girl name. And
I think you're gonna say, is it the student, the one who wanted to be a nurse or something?
Yeah,
Come
a
here, so
nurse
that can
or a pathology.
Is it Keronique? Is it Keronique?
I can't remember, but they get 1 point something million for her the following day.
Is it for the one who wanted to be a lawyer?
Me no know. It was either pathologist or some shit. I can't remember. Can't.
It's Keronique. Continue.
Yeah.
So she was
and
upset.
She get they raise $1 million for the girl the next day. So she said
she was upset.
So we're talking and I say, imagine that. You know, that you reach $600 or $300 or $400. And imagine today she reach $1 million and add. And up till now you
But
can't buy a fryer.
You know, I let me play devil's advocate here. And me nah read this too nothing bad about Donna, because we all know Donna said she's not gonna help regular people anymore. She's gonna help students. She's more geared towards students, right? So maybe because that girl was going to school, maybe she felt more she felt more comfortable to help that student. I don't know.
But Dwayne.
But hold on, let wait now. Let me land. But in another aspect, Crystal has been with her for a very long time. There should have been no issue for her to say, let me help you to raise X or Y, and whatever is the overhead. If I have to pay that for you, let me do that for you. Let's see what we can raise, and whatever we get, I'll pay the rest for you. Because you've been so good to me, I will do the rest for you. And that didn't happen. So Crystal was upset.
Of course she was. Well, she was freaking crying.
Was she angry?
Even me, when she had talked to me and crying, I crying too with her because I was very upset. That made me very upset.
But Audrey, a lot of people may say these might be made up stories. If it came to it, do you have proof to back up the things you're saying?
Do I have proof with what I women say? I women know. Me not talk that women don't know.
People are saying, in case people say you might be fabricating stories right now, right? Because you know them stay. They will say I fabricate, I make up story because you're looking to hype, whatever, right? So hear me out. If it came to that, could you back up your stories with hardcore evidence, voice notes, whatever? See, here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
I want to call one another and talk. It's called we call and talk. It's called we call and talk. It's called we call and talk. When we forget evidence from.
So because of everything you said on the live stream, maybe this is why Crystal chose to private that live stream.
Of course, because I'm not telling a lie, Panar. Not telling a lie.
So can we get a brief That's a brief little bit of the context of what you and Crystal talked when she was upset. Give us a kind of backstory. Like let's a little tips, not too much. Let's a little tips to wet them more kinda.
After the $1 million thing come up. We always chat. She called me and said, she said, you see, yesterday I couldn't get no money from nobody to do what I want to do. And auntie was on the live asking for people to help me, and nobody no help me much, you know. It's only a few people help me, but today $1 million raise, and you see how it go, and all kind of body bashing me and talking this and talking that about me, and you see.
But Audrey, let me also pin another devil's advocate here. What's her name? Crystal should have known the minute she went to Planks seeking help, they would have bashed her. This the Planks are before they help you, they bash you. Let us call a spade a spade. Before Planks help anyone, they bash them first, right? And then
and if people even did their talk about, but she not have husband, she's supposed to have husband, and this and that and da. Man, them people go on, yeah. Me delete her a long time off of my page, so I'm not busy when nobody wants it.
You deleted it from where?
From maybe I block her from, I delete her from my page.
But Audrey, maybe it's a bit further
I delete her from me.
Admin.
Listen me. I want she get off my thing. I want she for come off of me sing thing because I don't want her do nothing for me no more because first thing she frig up me thing. You understand? Because right now my YouTube thing, one part saying dollar and one part saying pound. All the frig that me no know.
It doesn't matter. The money I still work out will be the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that means there's two AdSense account created on that account. So you have one in dollars and one in pounds. The one person clearly is in the UK, and the other one is in America.
Comes that happen?
Probably
how that happen?
Probably she created that. I don't know.
I saw somebody said to me.
So you're saying Crystal was upset with Donna, but I didn't hear to how far the conversation went in the video because by then the same thing get private. You want to tell where so? Tell us what you said on your live stream. Give us a back so what you said. As I look at tops.
I only patting me talk, you know. I only pass up me talk. I only patting me talk because she sent a message to me. She sent some message to me. Me give auntie her phone number, and I think she said she give auntie my phone number, my name, and she asking me if she send the money to Esther because the person who's supposed to collect it for she Crystal for send it to she Crystal for Crystal send it to me. So then nah, like then said they're not interested to do it no more, or the person was sleep on holiday or some shit, me not remember. Good. And when she was calling me and I was talking to somebody, so I mean not answer. She leave a message say what to do if to send it to Esther. So when me don't talk to the person, she said she don't want nobody send no money to her because she don't want no mix up. I'm saying all right then, don't worry yourself. Tell her to send it to Esther. Tell her to send it to Esther. About just so me say. Tell her to send it to Esther. But the problem where I have now, the same thing when me say, she say make sure write it and say, all right, auntie, send it to Esther. She send the whole fucking sorry.
Yeah, be careful, please. It's fine.
Sorry. She send the whole voice note to